Welcome to Maheepathi Talks. As you know that every year we are conducting a lot of sessions related to career development. Today we are going to talk about exploring career paths in electronics and communication engineering. And here we have got a guest, Dr. Narendar Singh, who is an eminent personality, who is working as associate professor at Anurag University. He did his bachelor degree in electronics and communication engineering from JNTH Hyderabad and MTech in Embedded Systems from Bharat University, Chennai. And he has also done post-graduation diploma from Westminster College of Computing, London, UK in 2008, and PhD from JNU. And he has got a lot of experience. No, he has got more than 2 decades of teaching experience, and he has been a editorial board member and consulting editor for Innovative Scientific Research Professional Malaysia, and he has also received uh, 1 crore 17 lakhs 50,000 government grants for being the principal and principal investigator for the project which he has done related to the agriculture related projects. His interest is into embedded IoT and AML with IoT for biomedical applications, quantum IoT networking. The list goes on. No, he has done a lot of publications, national, international journal, and we are glad that no, he has accepted to deliver a talk on the career paths for the people who would like to go ahead and make their career more happy in the electronics field, where there is a lot of demand. People thinking that computer science is the only source for the success and happiness in the career. But here we have Narendra Singh, who is an associate professor at Anurag University, who would like to throw more light on how electronics and communication engineering can do better and make their life better. And what we welcome Narendra Singh to address the viewers about the career prospects in electronics and communication engineering. Over to you, Narendra Singh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was very nice introduction. I would like to thank Maheepathi Talks also giving an opportunity to share about electronics and communication core domain, because nowadays we can see most of the universities and the colleges, there is a lot of demand for opting computer science, engineering, and computer allied courses. I would like to share that apart from computer science, we have good opportunities in electronics and communication and other allied core courses also. Because without core courses, the computer science, there is no demand. Along with the computer science, AC is also plays a vital role in the career So I would like to share and I want to clear some of the queries or confusions with the students who have in picking electronics or communication or CSC. So first thing, if you are graduated, if you are in a looking towards computer science, first think it out like why you want to pick up the computer science. Okay, and if you have an option of electronics and communication, then think why you have and what is the need of electronics and communication. So if you have any kind of confusion like this, first I suggest first to have a brief opportunities which are related to the electronics and communication. First, I would like to share a small PPT where you can see that a PPT is here. When you come to electronics and communication, we have different domains. We have different career opportunities. Now, as we pick electronics and communication or computer science or any other allied courses, in the first year, you will be having the common syllabus for all the BTech first year students. So, you don't need to worry that electronics will be a tough or it might be something hard or we cannot study. First year you have completed by picking up electronics and computer with other computer science courses. And when you come to second year, in the second year, you have some of the basic subjects related to electronics, communications, and networking. So with this, you can think it out. Like what are, when you pick up electronics and communication, you can have a career opportunity in the electronic side, and you can have the career opportunity in the communication side, and you have the career opportunities towards the networking side also. So you will be studying all the basics in the second year. And when you come to the third year, in the third year, you will be studying little advanced or conceptual oriented subjects of electronics, communications, and communication, networking and communication. So here now you have increased your career opportunity from electronics and communications, and you have networking also. So we have got more opportunity when you compare to second year. Now, when you come to the final year, in the final year, you will be studying about the applications of all your electronics and communications. Now, when you see these applications, all are like, communication related, you have cellular and mobile communication. And when you come to electronic side, in the electronics, we have two different parameters. You have software side and also the hardware side. When you come to the software side, in the software, as you are in the third year itself, the basic software core will be taught to you. Like you will be studying about Java, you will be studying about Python, you will be studying about some of the other language courses which is required, because all these language courses will helps you to design some kind of application which helps you out in the software side, and also at the same time you have the hardware side. So when you come to the hardware side, you have the embedded system and VLSI. These are the prime core subjects for electronics and communication. In the VLSI, in the embedded system, you can go for hardware design engineer, embedded software developer, automotive engineer, firmware development test engineer, and assembly language. So these are some of the opportunities in the embedded side, where you have the career opportunities and a lot of demand is there, and the required skill set which you have been studied, like in the second year itself, like Python, Java, all these other supplements are skill software programming languages which you have studied for this embedded system. And when you come to VLSI side, in the VLSI side, you have career opportunities in like chip designing. Next, 1 minute, yes. Yeah, this is the slide for hardware VLSI side. You have the opportunities towards the electronics and digital and analog modes, and next you have the opportunities towards the network and advanced computational and memory designs. And not only that, now present government has also is supporting for manufacturing all the semiconductor devices industries to be established in India, rather depending upon other countries. We are designing, India is good at in designing all the chips in the software, but we don't have the manufacturing, and so we are getting all the designed chips by Indians as an imported hardware device from other countries. So the government also initiated this year, and we have 6 major semiconductor devices which are coming in India, and they have started by in other 5 years. We can see the chips are being manufactured in India, and the designing also done, and the chips also being manufactured by India with the low cost, as we are getting China chips for the low. We can see that Indian manufactured semiconductor devices will be motivated, and it will help for design and development of all the electronic devices. So these are some of the application: PCB design engineer, PCB testing, next circuit schematic, robotic control, and when you come to the medical side also, nowadays we can see that most of the medicals, they have been developed with an electronic or electronic devices. So medical electronic, consumer electronics, and military and distributed systems. All these uh, applications are going to be in the VLSI domain. Next, when you not only that, we have opportunities in the signal processing also. In the signal processing, we have opportunities like image processing, video analysis, next speech processing, array processing, robotics, biomedical signal processing, and we have navigational control systems. So these are some of the opportunities in the signal processing. So what I mean to say is, when you are picking up the electronics and communication as your career opportunity, many of the opportunities are there which we have not been aware, which we have not been known. So when you enter into the electronics and communication domain, you can see all these sectors which are running, and every industry or automation or every application, the electronics has become as a major important and necessary equipment or device that can be designed and developed by electronic communication engineer. So finally, we have opportunities in the communication side. We have opportunities in the signal processing side. We have opportunities in the embedded system. We have an opportunity in the VLSI, and at the same time, we have some of the public sector units where we have seen where we do get some information on the career opportunities are in the online sites. Like earlier, when we used to have any ISRO, DRDO, or NTPC or ONGC vacancies, they used to uh, put a notification. They used to scroll the notification on the different sites or newspapers. Students who have graduated in EC used to apply, and they used to get the opportunities to enter into these public sector units. But now the government has made a special recruitment process. Like, after completion of your BTech, or when you are in the final year, we have an competitive exam called GATE. We call that as a graduate aptitude test examination. This is availed for all the branches, especially when you come to EC, we have more opportunities to enter into the government side. Why? Because you can see that we have around 45 sectors, government public sector units, where through the GATE examination, these interviews are being conducted. Example, in our university, I have seen a student who has got 87th rank. He was called by uh, around 9 companies, nine public sector units to attend the interview, and he got an opportunity to select the highest and the brightest career path for him. He has took DRDO. He took as an career in the DRDO, where he has got different from 9 sectors. Okay, he took. So this is the thing where we can get all these opportunities if you can pick it up, the electronics and communication engineer. So students who are willing, or you are in confusion that that if I pick up electronics or communication, here are some of the guidance I would like to share, so that you can make it your life or your career easily, and it will help you out. That you have picked up a very good domain of ECE.
Yeah, thank you, Singh. Thank you very much. That was a wonderful insight that you said. Not only the computer science engineering, but also we have a lot of opportunities in electronics and communication engineering. Thanks for sharing that. A lot of companies which they are offering the courses, and also, as you rightly said, that without hardware, software doesn't work. So, like, there is no home, people cannot live in it. In the same manner, if there is no hardware, software also doesn't work. Thank you, Singh. Thank you very much. Viewers, if you have any queries, anything else, always you can type in the chat box so that you can learn from this. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned. And we request Narendra Singh sir to come once again and talk about in specific, domain specific, like even in EAC, you're talking about control system, you're talking about communication, you're talking about VLSI, embedded system, sim designing, and there's no sky is not the limit, you say always. So thank you, Singh. Thank you very much. Thanks to everyone for your patient watching, and thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, make the learning more ever experiencing. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. All the best. We wish you all the happy and successful career. Thank you, Singh, once again for making your
Thank you,
time.
sir. Thank you for giving an opportunity, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Singh. Thank you very much. No.